Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shino Rodriguez from Masagiri Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga hagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang ko ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and i-notification bell for more videos update. And because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aries. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, tunghayan at bubulabugin natin yan. Let's see. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, so this is something the Hangman, no? You are also stuck, no, from the situation. Nakakaranas ka na something delays and cancellations. Additional messages, so this is something black naman. It's all about black magic and vow. Oh my goodness. No, kaya ka nakakaranas ng mga feeling lutang, you're feeling stuck, you're feeling abandonment, you're feeling exhausted, you're feeling something isolated, not because of this black magic and vow. This is something full card. No, wag ka nagtitiwala basta-basta. No? Kumbaga may taong gumawa sa iyo behind your back. And this is something that's set up because with the happiness. Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka dito. Don't you worry. Or may mga tao sa paligid mo na naiinggit sa iyo. And this is something the higher fight for a lesson learned. Matuto ka na ha, na magkaroon ng distansya. No, parang paalala sa'yo dito na matuto ka na sa mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. And there's a judgment for a wake-up call or inner calling. Na you need to pay attention sa kung ano man ang mga bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo. Di ba parang sinasabi na there's something, a turning back, no, from the past. Parang binabalik yung nakaraan eh. Parang, di ba, hayaan mo ba maulit yung ganun scenario? Kumbaga, there is something possible na maaaring ginawang ka na eksena or nangyari na to, nakulap ka na before, or gumawa ng eksena sa'yo, nagayuma kayo or else, na maaaring bumabalik-balik pa siya. Or either sinusubukan itong linlangin ka, or pinapaalalahanan ka kung hanggang saan ka tatatag. Oh my God, this is something spiritual awakening, guys. No, kumbaga, paalala sa'yo kung paano ka naging matibay. No, parang binigyan ka ng paalala na paano maulit-ulit yung sitwasyon, natuto ka na kaya. Parang it's a test for you, no? Na may natutunan ka ba sa nangyari sa isa nakaraan. So let's see what is the Hangman. The Hangman is a 10 of Wands, something burden. May nagbigay talaga ng pabigat sa'yo. May gumagawa talaga ng eksena sa'yo na para malasin at para kumaga maranasan mo lahat ng kahirapan at lahat ng paghihirap. What is the block namin? It's a sumpa. No? Uri ng sumpa to. And this is something the 7 of Pentacles. So see, imbis na mag-harvest ka na guys, no? Kumaga, ang nangyayari, nauudlot yung mga transactions, lahat ng mga imbis na may dumating na pera, no, nauudlot, na kumaga nagkakaroon ng cancellations. What is the full card? There's a lovers, no? Kumaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, masyado kang tiwala sa asawa mo, masyado kang tiwala sa partner mo, no? Wag mong masyadong, kumaga kailangan gamay-gamayan mo, no? Kumaga napapalibutan kayo ng ahas. What is the 10 of Cups? Represent with the 10 of Pentacles. So this is something for long term. Nagkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalan na eksena dito na magdadala ng kaligayahan sa'yo. What is the Hierophant? Represent with the Page of Cups, something in the intuition. May gut feeling ka na eh. You have a vibration or something in the instinct. Kung ano nangyayari behind your back. No, kumbaga, parang feeling mo mauulit yung nangyari. And there's a white namin. Pinapaalalahanan ka na makinig ka with the spiritual. Na makinig ka sa ating guidance, sa ating angel spirit na kailangan mo magdasal. No, kumbaga, kung nakakalimot ka magdasal or nakakalimot ka na ulit sa pagdarasal, magdasal ka. No? Or sinasabi dito, there's a something white namin na there's a something spiritual. No? Spiritual journey. What is the Hangman? Because the Ten of Wands. Referencing with the Knight of Wands for something slowly but surely. Kailangan wag kang maging padalos-dalos, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo maging mahinahon. Napakalapit mo na para matuklasan kung ano yung nangyayari behind your back. What is the Block Number in the Seven of Pentacles? Referencing what? Referencing with the Ace of Cups, no? May naiinggit sa'yo. And this is something, and meron din ditong gayuma ko na sense, no? There's something gayuma dito. Or may naiinggit sa'yo, even sa relasyon. What is the Fool card? Because the Lovers. Referencing with the Ease of something, a new project, new plan, no? Kumaga magkakaroon ng mga bagong plano dito, kumaga magkakaroon ng bagong simula, pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig din, no? What is the Ten of Cups? Because the Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles represent with the Six of Swords with the transition. Makakaalis din kayo sa situation. Na unti-unti na kayo makakalaya, unti-unti na kayo makakabangon. What is the Hierophant? Because the Page of Cups. Hierophant, and because the Page of Cups represents the Six of Pentacles. So this is something giving, receiving something by the universe. Magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. Kailangan mo lang matuto, na matauhan, maliwanagan sa nangyayari sa behind your back. Kasi may mga tao sa paligid mo na parang sinusubukan kung natuto ka na ba, kung naliwanagan ka na ba, kung alam mo ba yung pinagagawa nila na, di ba? Na ginagangster ka, tinatraidor ka, pinaglalaroan ka ng hindi mo namamalayan. Ganon. What is the Judgment? Across the White Diamond. Reference to the Magician. See, it's all about power of God. Na parang binibigyan ka na mensahe ng ating mga gabay na natuto ka ba? Nalaman mo ba kung ano man yung mga bagay na kailangan mong pakakatandaan? This is something, a lesson na kailangan mong pangahawakan. No, there's something White Diamond with the White Divinity. When it comes to Judgment, pinapaalalahan ka with an angel spirit na may mga pinapakita mensahe sa panaginip, sa angel's number, with your visions, no? With a nightmare, and of course with a daydream. Maraming mensahe ang ating mga gabay na dun pinapababatid sa iyo na para maunawaan mo. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is something, the Seven of Wands, that you are also protected. Na protektado ka naman daw. And this is a Nine of Pentacles with the security. Maging secure ka lang sa sarili mo, kasi may mga tao sa paligid mo na susubukan paano basagin ang pinangahawakan mong proteksyon. And this is something, the Five of Swords in reverse, so there's something fair fight. Huwag kang mag-alala, patas ang laban. What is additional messages for finances and career? Finances and career represent with the Devil card. See, I told you, may gumagawa talaga para malasin ka, para hindi maging maganda ang takbo ng kapalan pagdating sa pagkakaperan. There's a King of Wands, something ambition. Nagkaroon ka na ng hinala and gut feeling kung sino tong tao na to. May nasisense ako lalaki itong gumagawa ng eksena sa'yo. And this is something the Moon card for a truth reveal. Maliliwanagan ka kung sino tong may lihim na inggit sa'yo and insecure sa'yo. What is additional messages? With something pagdating sa love life. So this is a Five of Pentacles for recovery. Makaka-recover ka na pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. And this is a Page of Swords. There's a spy looking, watching at you. Sinusubaybayan at kumaga, lagi nakatingin sa'yo. And this is something that requires with an offer, proposal, or either there is something apology. May hihingi ng tawad from the past. Now, wag kang pagpapalin lang, may babalik sa nakaraan. What is additional messages? About tayo sa health. There's a Nine of Pentacles, no? Nag-represent with the financial windfall. Magiging maganda lang yung finances, pero may mga bagay na, di ba, kumakad lang. Kaya nagbibigay stress sa'yo. And this is a Four of Pentacles for saving money. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo, even your finances. Hindi ka dapat nag-share ng thoughts, ha? Hindi ka dapat nag-share ng information sa mga tao sa paligid mo. There's a lot of evil eye. No, maraming inggitera, maraming itchosera, maraming mga, di ba, maraming mga, ano dyan, no, nagpapanggap, no, mga impostor, mga ambisyosa, mga ganan. Additional messages with a magical fairy messages represent what? And of course, represent with you got the power, no? Kumbaga, your abilities and resolve the situation, you can do it. No, kaya mong masolusyonan at matapos ng pinagdadaanan mo. And do some research. No, kailangan, kumbaga, tuklasin mo, alamin mo yung mga impormasyon ng mga bagay na luwag sa kaisipan mo at magkakaroon kaliwanagan sa lahat na nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. And because this is something awesome with the harvest moment. Huwag ka mag-alala, mag-harvest ka at the end of the time. And there's a dietary change. No, kailangan mo rin mag-diet pagdating sa health issues mo. So let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Represent what? There is something, karma, justice will be served. Huwag ka mag-alala, karma is waving. No, may huling halakak at may karma. And this is something Mercury with the travel, and because this is something communication, may mensahe talaga ang ating mga gabay sa'yo. And there's a family, commitment, no? And home. Ibig sabihin nito, there's something a third party, it's either kamag-anak mo or kapamilya mo. Oh. What is additional messages for synchronicities? And there's a synchronicities. I told you, may sign talaga binibigay sa iyo ating mga gabay. May mensahe. Some of you guys nakakakita ng 77. Ibig sabihin ng 77 is a flow. 888 is a money. 111 is a 111. Paalala. No? It's something pay attention. And 1111 represent something a wish fulfillment. Na may mga bagay na matutupad na. And this is something strength card. Na kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay. Kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo. Maging matapang. What is the Romance Angels represent what with our Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there's a love, strong affection. Talaga pinatibay ang inyong relasyon. And there's a text message. May tatawag, may mag-message, pero urong-sulong. Alam nyo guys, meron dito ako na sense na ginayuma, pero bumabalik tong tao na to. No? At yung tao na to bumabalik, at yung gumawa sa kanya bumabalik din para sirain ang eksena mo. And this is something soulmate. Not because of soulmate kayo nito person na to. What is Archangel Michael messages for you? And this is something a favorable outcome. Diba? Papabor din sa iyo ang sitwasyon. No, kailangan mo maniwala at magtiwala sa ating poong may kapal. And there is something new begin and fresh start is coming. Talagang magkakaroon ka ng bagong eksena, bagong simula. Diba? What is the Romance Angels? Free yourself. Kailangan mo pakawalan at kailangan mong kontrolin yung sarili mong buhay. And there's a retreat. No? Disconnect from the world. No? Hindi ka dapat nagpapa-apekto sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Maraming echosera, maraming mga ambisyosa, maraming taong sisira na mga, diba? Pangarap mo, relasyon mo. And there's something trust. Kailangan mo magtiwala. Diba? One more card, please. And, oh my God, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka. And there's a practice makes perfect. Diba? Enhance your ability and polish your skills. What is the energy represent what? Represent of financial constraints. So, some of you guys, no, nakakaranas sa financial loss at maaaring nagkakaroon ka ng stress and anxieties, but definitely, this is the sun card. Bibigyan liwanag sa iyo lahat ng mga bagay na yan. Parang the light after the darkness. Ganon. What is the messages of life? Represent what? Surrender to the sweetness. Oh, there's something make love to life. Mahalin mo yung buhay na ibinigay sa'yo. And this is something, a messages, no? Binibigyan ka mensahe ng ating mga gabay na you need to pay attention. Ganon. What is additional messages? And there's a courage na ini-encourage ka dito na kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matapang, no? Huwag mong, kumbaga, huwag kang matatakot, no? Lumaban at humarap. And there's something self-esteem. Kailangan mo mas pagyabungin ng iyong, kumbaga, self-confident or something na parang lakas ng loob, no? Parang, yung gana, no? Parang ganon. Kumpiyansa. What is the Moonsology? And your hard work is paying off. No, lahat ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, may kabayaran yan. And emotional running high. Magiging emotional ka. It's either tears of joy and a personal issue reaches resolution at masusolusyonan na kung ano ba talaga yung issue mo sa buhay. Diba? What is the chakra messages? Represent what? I told you! Diba? Insecure. Insecurity. Diba? May naiingit talaga sa'yo. And there's a destiny to happen. Talagang nasa kapalaran mo yan. Nasa palad mo yan na may mga tao, oh, there's a creation, di ba? May mga taong gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo pa, di ba? Gawa ng inggit. Gawa ng selos. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's something support with the guidance. No, sinusuportahan ka ng ating mga gabay. And there's a fairies with an environment na binibigyan ka ng guidance ng ating mga gabay sa paligid mo. And there's a go for it. Kailangan mo ilaban yan. Diba? Hindi ka pwedeng urong-sulong or something na parang takot. Kailangan palaban. What is Archangel Raphael? Represent that diet is more important here. So, kailangan mo mag-diet, magpa-fresh, ha? Huwag mong kalimutan yung sarili mo. Kailangan magpaganda ka. What is the angel's hour? Magpagwapo ka. What is the angel's answer? Represent what? Oh my God, there's a meditate and bring answers, no? Kailangan mo magdasal, mag-devotions, and there's something big happy changes coming in for you. Diba? May malaking pagbabago at magbibigay kaligaya at kasiyahan sa iyo. And there's a look for a sign. I told you, may senyales ng ating gabay na you need to pay attention. For Jesus' loving quote said, forgiven shall be forgiven. No? Kailangan mo magpatawad at papatawarin ka ng ating poong may kapal sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na iyong pagkakasala. Diba? What is an angel? Kasi may mga bagay dito na binibit-bit mo pa rin yung ngit-ngit at galit sa puot at puso mo eh. Kailangan mo palayain yan dahil yan yung magsisilbing blockages, balakid para may isa ka to pa rin yung mga pangarap mo. What is the angel's number? Represent what? Angel's number represent a 1919 for cycle. Diba? Paulit-ulit yung ikot ng kapalaran kasi may mali. There's something karma. Oh my God. Warning, paalala. Oh my God, may karma dito ha, kaya paulit-ulit to. Karma will be paying you a visit. Release the need to control because you cannot force things. Let your lesson so they don't repeat in the near future. See? Make some space for new experiences. Kaya pa ulit-ulit to dahil may mga bagay na hindi mo ka pa natututunan. May mga bagay na hindi mo pa ina-actionan. Kaya pa ulit-ulit yung scenario. And because this is something remain in the light. So manatili ka sa liwanag. No, today I observe, I take time to think calmly and wisely, and I go forward with a complete confidence, knowing I will succeed. No matter what happen today, I will remain in the light. I will maintain my faith and my equilibrium. In this way, I nurture my soul and become stronger and steady representative of the light. So see, kumbaga nananatili ka na alam sa sarili mo na magniningning no ang tagumpay at ang iyong mga hangarin. Huwag tiwala ka lamang sa ating poong may kapal. Na kailangan baguhin kung ano man yung mga kadiliman at mga bagay na nangyari sa iyo sa nakaraan, kailangan mo nang bumangon at kailangan mo nang kalimutan at pakawalan. Ganon? So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign off Aries. So, Aries, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang samang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!